National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland, Eastern Bay, Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland, the Catskill River including Baltimore Harbor, Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland, until 2:30 a.m. At 12:22 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms capable of producing wind gusts in excess of 34 knots from 16 nautical miles west of Baltimore Inner Harbor at 27 nautical miles southwest of Hanover Street Bridge, moving east to 25 knots. This line of thunderstorms will be near Baltimore Inner Harbor, 7-foot Knoll, Chesapeake Bay Bridge, Thomas Point light wind gusts of at least 34 knots. Locally high waves and dangerous lightning can be expected. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service.